Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back. Happy Wednesday. Welcome to another late night pouring episode. Tonight we are going to be playing with one of the classes that I am teaching at PourCon in Las Vegas. You've seen a lot of videos of the wispy split cup pour. Tonight we're going to be doing the spiral split cup pour, which is really, really pretty and I'm very excited about. And to make it a little bit different, we are actually using two 10 by 20 canvases. These are taped and pinned on the back, and I have painted the sides and edges, and we're going to pour these together and then we're going to tilt them out, and I'm hoping to get some negative space. I think I'm actually going to pour them this way though. So those are 10 by 20s. Let me show you my colors because they're very pretty and I'm very excited about them. This one is one that I haven't used a lot and I'm not sure why. This is Golden's Phthalo Blue in the red shade, and it's really pretty. It's such a beautiful color. I love the Prussian blue, and I kind of use that. That tends to be my go-to blue, but this is a gorgeous, gorgeous color too. Very rich. My pouring medium tonight is the Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss with American Floetrol. And I have a video showing how I mix that up. It's called Night of 1,000 Stars. If you want to go check that out, you can. So that's the Phthalo Blue. This one is DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in Emerald Green. Beautiful shimmery metallics, gorgeous, and I love the contrast between those two. This one is Amsterdam Brilliant Blue, which I really like a lot. It's so pretty and it looks really, really nice with a lot of the other colors, especially with blues and greens. It's really, really beautiful color. Amsterdam Brilliant Blue. And we have our Lady of the Hour, our DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. Just a smidge thicker than everything else because we don't want it to get lost. And we have some Amsterdam Titanium White. Okay, so we're going to be using my 5-chamber split cup with a handle. This one is from acrylicpouringtools.com. My other one with my name on it is being washed, so we're going to use this one tonight. And I've been trying to think about how I want to layer the cup. The base coat color I'm using is this very pretty light turquoise. This is some drips combined, but that's a really pretty color. So I'm trying to think of what do I want on either chamber and where do I want it to end up in the painting. And I think what I want to do, I definitely want the Phthalo Blue on one side, and I kind of wanted to put the white on the other side. I guess we can do the gold next to the blue. I don't know which one I want in the middle. That's my problem. We don't mind that at all. That's very pretty. I don't know if I want the green in the center though. What do you think, HOA?
I like the green in the center.
You like the green in the center. Alright, so we'll go like that. Alright, so we'll start off with our Phthalo Blue on one side in this chamber. Okay, and we're going to put our 24 karat gold next to that. Okay, we put our emerald green in there. Yeah, I think I'm going to stack this one with a little bit of white and the green, just to give us a little bit of contrast and break up the green a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to put our Brilliant Blue in this other small chamber. And then we're going to use the white in the other chamber. Okay. There we go. Alright. Okay. So I think I'm actually going to tilt it this way as I pour it, and then I'm going to pour it across this way. So let's pour our puddle that way. Okay. across like that. All right. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes,
I'm going to start over here, and we're going to be doing that wandering spiral pour. Okay, here we go. I just wanted to stop that from pouring down the side. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit more over here and over on this side. I'm going to tilt them out separately. So this is going to be cool, HOA. You kind of want to come watch in the middle. Ready?
Yep.
Whee! Okay, I'm just going to tilt them both to the side a little bit. Let's take care of this one first. This is really pretty. Alright, we're just going to kind of go off that edge and then walk it down a little bit. And I am very okay with leaving some negative space on this. That's pretty. And get rid of a little bit of the white down there on the corner. Okay. Okay, well, that's really cool. Oh, that's pretty. All right, let's do this one now. Let's go this way first. Over that edge. That's pretty neat. I don't think they line up, but oh, you know what? This edge is completely bare right here. I'm not going to tilt anymore. I'm just going to take what's left in my cup and go right over that corner. Clean up some of these edges on the sides.
Actually, don't you have to 180 that one? Don't you have to 180 that one?
Okay. What do you mean 180 that one?
That one's got to spin around. Yeah.
Oh, and then they kind of match up? Alright. Well, here, let's put them this. Let me clean off the table real quick so they can see. Gather up our drip base coat for next time. I'm gonna give these a quick torch and then we'll be done. Okay, so let's look at this real quick. This is all super pretty in here. I love this blue with these gold lines. Really, really pretty. And I like the green and the brilliant blue next to each other. This part up here is kind of like a, I guess that's the phthalo blue and the gold mixing. It's kind of giving me like a rainbow. It's really cool. Kind of iridescent. I don't know what that spot is. We're gonna touch it and get rid of it. This one I really like. I like that there's more negative space on there. I like that you can still see all the lines. That's a bubble that just popped. Cool. I'm happy. What do you think, HOA?
Oh yeah.
Cool.
It's really cool.
I like that there's a little bit of white right there and right there. That's the continuity that brings them together. So this is awesome. I'm pretty happy with this one. So I will hopefully show you guys when they're dry, if they're dry enough. If not, then I will definitely show you guys in the next video. I'll put the dried results for Agraria in this one at the end so you can see it in the sun because it turned out so pretty. That was the wandering wing pour that we did for Father's Day that HOA specifically requested with the beautiful turquoise and the green gold and the bronze and the Payne's gray. So really, really cool stuff. I'll show you guys when it's dry. Thanks for being here with us. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. We'll be right back. Okay, we finally have some sun and a blue sky. I am so happy, I can't even tell you. It's only June 20th before the sun comes out here. Okay, so this is Egregia. This one was our Father's Day pour, the wandering wing pour that HOA chose. And we used the beautiful phthalo turquoise and green gold and bronze and Payne's gray. And I think this one came out so pretty. So the name Egregia is actually, Gail, stop it. Don't be naughty. Sorry. Egregia actually is the name of what's called feather boa kelp, which this totally looks like that to me. And I don't know if you guys can see, like in here, the white, which wasn't showing up by itself, is giving us those really pretty lines inside the green gold, which is just beautiful. And I do actually see some flamey parts in here, so. But this one turned out so pretty. Every time I walked in when it was drying, I was just like, oh, like this part I love up here is gorgeous. Few little tiny cells, but that bronze, can you guys see? I don't know if you can see it blinging. But it's so crisp and like sharp. It's amazing. I love it. So this is Egregia. This was our Father's Day pour. Thank you guys so much for being here. The ones we shot today are not dry yet, so I will show you guys those on Sunday's video. But thank you all so much for being here. We love you a lot. You guys mean the world to us. We'll see you real soon. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye. Happy summer!